Today, we're going to integrate science and reading. We're going to sign on to Canva and go under education like we always do. But instead of using the whiteboard, let's scroll down to the storyboard aspect of it. You're going to go to the templates, and there are many for you to choose. As you can see, a few of you already have one chosen for you in your account. And we're going to work together as a small group and put this together as your story. So, the aspect of today's assignment is you're going to have a water drop, and you must include different parts of the water cycle in it. As you can see, it's 6 parts, and I'm going to show you my final picture. Scene 1, I have water drop. Scene 2 is a water vapor. Then it turns into evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. My last one is just how it goes back to the ground, and you may end up in a river or even a plant. So this water cycle is never ending, but each little box continues my story of Susie the water drop, and it is in the water cycle. When we are in making our story, I am going to have you add a heading. You can add a subheading if you would like. See my heading right here. And then projects is all the ones we've done before. Go ahead and title. You can add a text box. And when you're making them, and I'm going to show you right here, you may click on each of these little spots and you must add a picture. Now, we've already added some, but if you do not have any water cycle pictures in your saved Canva, you may go into Google and copy and paste pictures of the water cycle. Each part, as down here, you're going to Google your story. You can change your scenes to different names if you would like. Your uploads, and as you can see on mine, all these are my water cycle. My small group who will meet with me, we've already chosen some pictures together, and I will show you and help you put them in the correct boxes. Now you are going to be graded on 5 different aspects of the story. You're going to create this water molecule and explain its journey through the water cycle. So the first aspect is the title of the storyboard. Your proficient, which we've talked about before, is where we are wanting to be, will receive 20 points if a title can be read and describes the content of the storyboard clearly. But we can also go all the way down to the beginning, which is 10 points, and this is too small or does not describe the content of the story. Pictures and graphics. This is any kind of pictures you include. So are they relevant and clear? So relevant means, are they part of the water cycle? Go all the way down to not adding pictures, or you may have totally missed the mark on your pictures being relevant to the story. You must label your labeling of the diagram or story. So the pictures, you can have labels in them, but also the stories. This is all of the required keywords are clearly visible, organized, and well placed throughout the story. That means all of them are included in your story, going down to missing most of them. If you would like, if merging means a few of the required keywords are clearly. Plot a story. Does your plot of the story make sense with the water cycle? Yes or no, it does not. Content, spelling, grammar, punctuation. As you know, we've been practicing all of these skills. So, excellent spelling, grammar, punctuation, and original content. Is this content yours, and did you not steal it from another source? We talked about plagiarism before. If you make 3 to 5 spelling, grammar, or punctuation errors, it's going to be 15 points. The punctuation, remember, you must include them after every sentence. And then multiple spelling, grammar, or punctuation errors included. My small group will come meet me, and we will work on this together. Your story does not need to be as long as other students in the class, and we will talk about that in small group.